Alright, here we are, guys, at the Rock House in Hocking Hills State Park. And what's cool about the Rock House is there used to be a hotel here.
It closed in 1910.
A lot of nice little picnic gazebos around here. With the fireplaces too, man. Yeah, they got one on each side here. It's pretty sweet. Some history. Alright guys, so we're just started the hike down to the Rock House, and this is the only real cave in Hocking Hills State Park, which is exciting and disappointing all at the same time.
So it's just a 0.8 mile hike, and it is a loop, which is always nice.
Alright, here we are, guys. Some steps etched into the rock face. Oh yeah. Man, that's pretty crazy how they cut these steps. Yeah, look at these cliffs here. Climb down. Alright, here we are, guys, at the Rock House. See if we can get down here. There's some birds in here.
The Rock House is about 25 feet tall and 200 feet long.
You see all these birds, bro? Look at this wall. Oh yeah, cave up there too. Oh good, we'll check it out. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Hell yeah. Yeah, this would be a good spot. Kind of like the granaries that we saw in Canyonlands.
Oh yeah.
This would be a good spot to hide some stuff. Oh dude, look at these spiders. That's fucking crazy, bro.
What, the big ones?
Oh dude, you don't see them back there? Those black ones on the ceiling?
Oh my god. Look at my back.
Not that I've seen. Holy shit.
So the hotel here was built in 1835, and it was a big tourist attraction. But prior to that, Native Americans used the Rock House for baking ovens and also water supply tanks. And after that, robbers used the rock house to store their loot and earned its name, the Robber's Roost. I hope you enjoyed this adventure in Hocking Hills State Park, Ohio, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.